Hi everyone, I'm Jo.
I'm Andy.
We're from Nothing But the Blues, and this is our class recap for our spins and dips class.
Cool. We started off with our first basic exercise, which was about spins, and our exercise starts with planting one weight on one foot, nice level hands, nice straight spine and back, and then just doing little quarter turns. Then you can ramp these up to half turns and then build up to full turns. So try this on both feet in both clockwise and anti-clockwise.
Good idea to practice this at home to work on your balance, which is super important for your spins and dips. Always make sure your head is in line. As soon as you tip your head back or forwards, it's very hard to maintain your balance.
Last little one was exiting. You can do a little lunge out exit to make it nice.
So you can prep, exit.
Yep.
Making things smooth and controlled.
Our next one was doing the follows outside turn.
So a standard outside turn, I would step through the turn as my default.
So we would go lead the follow down the line.
Step, step. Notice Andy's giving me space. But I can choose to turn this into a spin.
Leads, make sure you give plenty of space for the follow to do the spin.
So I've basically pivoted through that one foot. Now the leads can then hijack that follow choice and turn it into a double spin. One thing that really helps with my balance is engaging my core muscles, tucking my butt in and trying to keep as straight a line as possible. Whenever I start to lose my balance, if I don't get all the way through, I can do a little paddle if I need to, but if you can get all the way through, it does look cool.
Leads, just make sure you maintain a nice open hand shape that goes around and arcs.
Nice and
cool.
smooth.
The next was a
Pop turn.
Pop turn. We do a outside pop turn, or a standard pop turn, which the follows go down the back of the lead, like so. And then we are going to hijack that move for the leads. I'll be taking a step onto my right foot, and then I'm going to be doing a clockwise pivot, or spin. So we go step, and then I might come out with this nice little lunge shape here. That lunge helps for any balance issues, me getting around, and it looks like a nice way of exiting as opposed to just landing flat.
Yeah. Follows, don't be surprised if you complete your turn before your lead does, in which case use all of that spare time. Don't just stand there.
Cool. The next one we worked on was our
Safety
basic
dip.
Yep. So our regular, what we call here, the koala dip. So we take a step, turn, down. We both have a nice straight back, head up.
Good thing of this dip, it's super safe. If Andy lets go, I've got my balance.
Cool. And then we took that up a notch with a little bit more of a open turn, and then we just prep and we spin the follow down the line towards the lead and capture. Really important here, both my hands are on the back of the follow. I capture one when I see the follow, and then the second hand at the end, which creates this nice shape.
Again, I'm using Andy's leg as a little seat and keeping my back straight.
Absolutely. Think about these hands here. Then we can take that up a notch, which is the dip with the lean to. So this is the
Key things for the follow is I am really engaging my core muscles and my butt. I am planking in a beautiful straight line. As soon as I do this, or worse that, I become really difficult to manage for the lead. So I keep nice and straight.
Yep, for leads, again, I think nice planted here. My weight is split and my body just does a small lean to that allows the follow to dip over. They're really nice and nice. I will gauge that bit by bit, how much is enough, and then come straight back up. The good thing is if you're nice and planted, you can hold that a lot longer.
Yeah. Final point, when it comes to dips, we would encourage you to not do a big dip like this with someone you don't know. They may have back issues, they may not be comfortable with dips. Start with a small one, and if that works well, then you can start to build it up. Don't go for gold on your first dip.
Good luck.
Keep it safe. Thanks everyone.
Thanks.